Welcome to my humble abode. It's decorated so perfectly for the holidays. How could we make this any more festive? Oh wait, I have an idea. Ugh. Why did I put my lipstick on after I put the sweater on? Okay, there we go. Just so you can get a full view of this. Right? Isn't it nice?
Dinner was full!
Yeah. This is from my friends over at Ugly Christmas on Instagram. They are freaking awesome. They sent me this lovely sweater. There is dust flying everywhere. Thank you so much. I feel very festive. This is actually just like a sheet thing printout, even though it looks like it could be a real living room that I spent a lot of time on in the background. It is not. I'd like my living room to look like this. So for today, this is my living room, okay? I wanted to get this video out for you guys by Black Friday. That didn't happen. However, all through December, there are always amazing deals on all of this good stuff. So I thought I would put together a little gift guide for you guys. This is primarily, actually it is solely makeup based. So that's what you'll see in today's video. If you wanna see more on top of this, I do have an actual holiday gift guide on my website. I have a blog website in case you didn't know, with merch and all that fun stuff. But I did make a tab at the very top that is specifically just the holiday gift shop. So it's like a giant list of curated stuff that I created for you guys to help give you some inspiration, or maybe if you like something off it, you can grab it. But yeah, that's there for you if you want to scope that out, if you need any fresh ideas. There's some really cool like anodized silverware in there that are actually, like a lot of that stuff's actually on my wish list as well. So I created it with you guys in mind, but I curated it with my own taste as well. So let's get started. I have this bag right here. Right here. I got this bag. I bought a lot of this at Target myself, and some of it was sent to me. So I don't really remember which at this point, but we'll just go through the list. I'm gonna share it with you, show you what it looks like, how much it is, etc. And I will link everything in the description box below in case you're like, ooh, I really want that. I will link it for you. It is there. You can grab it from there. First up, we have the Buxom Party All Night kit. This is $49.99 at Ulta, and you get all of these little lipsticks. This says it's a $125 value, so in order to buy all this, it would be $125. And it shows you on the back what it comes with. It comes with lip plumping cream and lip polish and lip liner. So I don't see any lip liner. Oh yeah, these are lip liners on the side. Okay, so it comes with all of those in here. I just thought this was a cool one because it comes with this little thing too. It's like a little mask thing. I don't really know what you're supposed to do with that, to be honest. I didn't really care about that. It's a bewitching eye veil for a super festive vibe. I just really liked the fact that you get so many different shades and types of lipstick and lip gloss from Buxom in this kit. I also thought it was really cute with the gradient. It kind of doesn't even need wrapping, maybe just a bow, but that's the first one. So next is the Becca x Chrissy Cravings 4-piece lip gloss set. It's $29 at Sephora. It comes in this little thing right here. It kind of looks like a book. It opens like a book if there wasn't the tape on there. I like this lip gloss kit because you have everything ranging from a bright red down to like a pinkish nude. So for the lip gloss lover, you're getting like the best of both worlds with this kit. Also, Becca Cosmetics creates amazing, really great makeup. So this is definitely a good value. This is valued at $44, and it's only $29. Next is the Becca x Chrissy Cravings 3-piece set, which is $44 at Ulta. So what you get in here is a mousse-based like liquid lipstick, which is this guy right here. I just really like this shade. It pretty much would go with anything. And then you have up here, let me get the exact names. This is a highlighting powder. This is the Confectionery Glow Powder in Cinnamon Sugar. It's a loose highlighting powder. It comes in a really cute little case. And then this guy is a 2-in-1. It is a, it is like an eyeshadow and a highlighter in one, so you can use it as a highlight as well as eyeshadow, like on the brow bone, which I really like to do with like wet highlighters. This one is called Glow Souffle Eyeshadow and Highlighter Duo in Cinnamon Churro. So this is just a really nice little kit if you kind of want like a little bit of everything. If maybe someone likes Becca Cosmetics, but they don't have a whole lot, or you know, what have you. This is a good little introduction kit to give you a little taste of what Becca offers and the quality of makeup that they produce. Another awesome present for the color lovers in your life is my brand Arctic Fox hair color. We are vegan, cruelty free, and 15% of our profits goes to animal charity to help save animals in need. This is a great stocking stuffer. You can wrap it like a little Tootsie Roll, like either on either side, little ribbon right there, and it's gonna look perfect. This also comes in a 4 ounce if you want to get an array of colors, or just be baller and go for the 8 ounce. They will know that it's hair color though if they've used Arctic Fox before, because it smells like grapes. And another really cool last minute gift from any brand, we also offer gift cards over at Arctic Fox, is a gift card if you are running really low on time or you need to just be able to print something super quick. With Arctic Fox, once you purchase the gift card, it will get emailed to you and you can just print it out and package it up, put it in a big box and wrap it so they get very confused when it's a very small paper at the bottom taped to the box with peanuts filled in it. That's my kind of Christmas gift. I love to do that to people. Next, this has sequins all over it, so I really like this. This is the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair Petite Highlight Set, which is $22.50. So inside you get a highlighting brush, which is like anodized metal kind of looking, really cute. And then you get this 6 set highlight palette. I love BH Cosmetics highlight palettes, which is why I included this. I also love sequins. So I just love when like sets come with like a little bag, because I have a million bags, but a lot of people, like the average everyday makeup user, doesn't have a bunch of bags, and they're really nice for traveling. So I always think it's really nice to get a gift set that already has a little bag that they can kind of tote around with them when they travel, what have you. I absolutely love BH Cosmetics highlighters, and I think you guys will too if you've never tried it. Next is the same looking little sequin bag. This one is the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair 5-piece liquid lipstick set. This is $24.50 at Ulta. And this is, let's go ahead and open this because I'm curious what size these are. I feel like it's a little hard to tell. Wow, so they look like they're full size. So once again, they've done a really good job giving you a little bit of everything. You've got some nudes, you've got some brick colors, you've got a pink, and a nice brown. This one's really nice. I like that nude a lot. It's like porn star nude. Love it. So this comes in a really nice little kit. These are actually the kind of bags that I use whenever I'm traveling. I really like to use these flat ones for lipstick, lip liner, and eyeliner. So this is such a fun bag. Oh. That's so fun. Next is a miniature version of that. This is the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair 3-piece glitter set. It is $19.50. We'll open this one up too, since it's pretty easily accessible. This is like such a cute little bag. Like I would pay $19.50 for the bag. Okay, that's a little much, but this is just really chunky, fun glitter. I really like chunky glitter. I think it's especially fun to give around the holidays because New Year's Eve is coming up like right around the corner. So you get that really nice kind of brownish cranberry one. Then you get this one is really cool. It's like black, but it's got a shift of like brown in it, like a deep brown. And then you get classic gold. Sticking in the same fam with BH Cosmetics, this is a Royal Affair 10-piece metallized brush set. Oh my gosh, this matches my eyeshadow like so well. This is $25. So you're getting 10 different brushes. I'll go ahead and pull these out. I should have undone this. Use your muscles. Okay. So these look like this, and you get a nice variety. There's some eyeshadow brushes in here, but then you also have some face brushes for contouring and blush highlight. So this is a nice little like you know, kit like the average makeup wearer could take with them. I keep saying that because I take like a million brushes with me when I travel, but like I'm just super high maintenance when it comes to the makeup department. So that's me. You don't have to be like that. But this is a nice collection. Like these are, you could get a nice eyeshadow look completed with this set. I also really think it's just super pretty. Matches my eyeshadow, so, you know, I'm a little biased, but what can I say? So when I was at Target shopping, I actually came across, I was looking for, looking at some like different like gift sets that I thought would be like good gift sets to show you guys. And I came across something called Profusion Cosmetics, and it looks like this. So I actually got a couple of these in different shades. I got a nude one and I got like a more pink one. On camera, these look really similar, but this is definitely more pink in person. Hopefully it shows. But anyway, so I was like, I wonder if this is cruelty-free. They display the cruelty-free logo on the back. I looked it up online. They are cruelty-free. I don't know if this is a Target brand or what, but and I also haven't tried the quality of this, so I cannot speak to that. I just thought it was great that there was another fast option to grab that was super cutely packaged in Target that's cruelty-free. So I just wanted to flag that and show it to you guys. This one is Bare and this one is called Kissable. Let you guys look at those. But I just thought it was cool because it comes with the lip liner, the lipstick, and then there is lip strobe that you're supposed to add to the center of the lip. I don't really know what that's about, but it kind of gives you a little how-to on the back, implying that it's almost like a little bit of a ombre. So thought these were really cute. Let's see, these were also super affordable. So these are $4.99 each, making that just such a perfect little stocking stuffer gift. I mean, for $4.99, you can have a full lip look where like you've got the lip liner, the whatever the strobe thing is in the middle, and the matte lipstick. Speaking of a really great stocking stuffer, I wanted to bring this up because I tweeted it. And so if you don't follow me on Twitter, maybe you missed it, but I just wanted to bring up that if you have friends or family that use beauty blenders or any sort of a sponge to apply makeup and they get quite dirty like this, two ideas. So basically it's just a bar of soap. You can literally buy just a nice bar of soap at the store and put a bow on it and a little tag that says, this is gonna be your new best friend for cleaning your beauty blender or makeup sponge, whatever. And the other option is you could make something cute, like a little jar or something, like a little mason jar with like little tiny soaps that you can take from your hotel room whenever you stay somewhere. I always just like take one. So they refill it every day, and I just take those, and they're small and they're so perfect for cleaning makeup sponges. I saw Nikki Tutorials doing that on her story one time. I was like, oh, I do that too. Like I sell all the soap. So super unique and fun, interesting little gift for even a white elephant party or a stocking stuffer that literally costs you like $1. So awesome. On that same track with my little list keeps going dark on my phone. How can I tell you the prices? Okay, so next is another super affordable stocking stuffer that every makeup lover needs. Even if they didn't think about it, this should be on their wish list. And it's definitely on mine. This is the Wet n Wild makeup wipes. Makeup wipes are one of those things like eyelashes. You just like literally can't ever have enough of them. So I feel like no matter what, this is a really good bet for a gift for anybody. You can get creative with this. You can buy like a bunch of these and put them like all lined up like in the bottom of a clothing box that you get from Kohl's or whatever. That could be kind of fun. But this is a no-brainer. Like if you have a makeup lover and they're removing their makeup at night, which they should be, this is a must-have. And this is only $2.99 at Target. So if you're shopping super late, you can just, my lungs just got dry. You can just run in and grab these. $2.99, super easy gift. I actually bought a few of those for myself while I was there because I like them so much. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow duo set. Boom. So you get all 3 of these guys in this kit, and they are duochrome. So technically you're getting 2, 4, 6. Technically you're getting 6 eyeshadows, and I like this because it's got kind of the lid and eyebrow shade for you as well as the crease. So you can create a full makeup look with each one of these, or you can mix and match and do something kind of like I did today where I used a different eyeshadow in here, and you know, I just pretty much smeared all of them on my face. It's typically what I do. This is only $5 from Target. e.l.f. has an actual entire end cap at Target that just has all of their holiday sets. So you'll definitely find some good stuff if you go to Target and look at the end caps. The next item that I'm gonna show you is also from Target, and I think it's also on an end cap. There's a lot of options for this one too. This is the Soap & Glory Hands You'll Love Yule, like Yuletide. They got clever. Hands You'll Love. Do you get it? This is, basically it comes with the hand food, which is very popular by Soap & Glory. I personally have not used it, but I do really like a lot of Soap & Glory products. The one product I didn't like that they made was a highlight, and I put it on and I was like, where is the highlight? Like essentially it was just like a setting powder. It was weird. That was a weird moment for Soap & Glory and I. But I looked this up, and hand food sells really well. People really like this one, so I definitely wanted to include it. This has sugar. So this is just FYI, non-greasy hydrating hand cream, and you get 3 different flavors. You get sugar, crush, original pink, and smoothie star. And this was only $6.99 at Target. This is great for someone who likes to kind of have like hand lotion in their purse or at their desk at work. Multiple places. This is pretty much every, like, I was gonna say woman in my life, and that makes it sound like I'm dating a bunch of women, but my mom, my stepmom, they all love to have hand lotion near them and at their desk and in their purse and in the car and pretty much like everywhere you look in the house. So something like this is a really great gift, and I'm actually going to gift this to my stepmom for Christmas. That wraps up my holiday gift guide for you guys. I wanted to make this longer actually, but it was gonna be really, really long and very rambly and kind of boring. So hope I didn't bore you. Hopefully this gave you guys some ideas for your holiday shopping, if nothing else. But thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Also, the next video that goes up, I believe, is going to be the tutorial on this makeup look that you see right here. This was using the James Charles and Morphe palette. So you can see how I got this look in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next, I can't say video again. Bye, guys. Bye.